I'm angry. My computer doesn't work. Why do you do this to me? I'm not happy about this. What did you do to my parcel? I'm furious. I'm never playing golf again. I'm very unhappy with you. Don't do that again. I'm angry. I'm going to go crazy. Why won't you start? I'm furious. I'm burning with rage. I'm an angry driver. I'm enraged. Some people shouldn't be on the road. I'm very angry with you. You're not doing your job properly. Where is my coffee? I'm so angry with you. Don't ever eat my chocolate again. I'm not happy with your performance. You're fired. I'm furious with my son. He never listens to anything I say. Go to your bedroom now and don't come back out till your homework's finished. I'm so angry with you. I'm totally seething. I want to see an improvement in your work. I'm furious with you. Don't be late again. If you forget your homework again, you will be in big trouble. I'm so pissed off. I'm totally seething. Why is the traffic not moving? I'm so irritated and exasperated. Why does my mother never listen to anything I say? I'm very angry. It's my turn to watch the television. I'm so mad at you. I'm enraged. Why do you never do anything in the house? He never takes me anywhere. He's more interested in the football. I'm totally incensed. Look what she's done with her hair. The women are fuming. The man is calm. I'm resentful. I'm full of resentment. I'm really annoyed with you. I don't want to speak to you anymore. I'm really annoyed and irritated. My brother is so annoying. He won't stop playing the trumpet. The teacher is exasperated with the children in her class. I'm exasperated with life. I have to speak to so many people. I can't take any more. I'm exasperated with the children. Our parents are always angry. They need psychological help. I'm really pissed off. This idiot hit my car. You will do your homework or you won't get anything to eat. You will do what you are told or you won't get to watch television. You will go straight to bed. You will finish this by the end of the day or you will be looking for another job. You will marry me or I will make you pay. I will never forgive you. We will spend the rest of our lives together. You will arrive on time to work or you will be looking for another job. You will be a good dog. You will not eat any more donuts. You will live a healthy life now. You will be quiet. People are trying to study.